What's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Ricky here for Star Lessons, the channel where we break down popular songs and teach you how to play them on guitar. Well, let's get right to it. Today we're going to do a follow-up to a video I just did this week for the Jason Mraz song, I'm Yours. This is the rhythm guitar tutorial for that video, so let's get started. Before we dive in, let's go over all the different versions I've heard Jason do online, and of course, the quintessential version that everyone's heard on the radio. First things first, the original version of this song is in the key of B. Now that involves bar chords, which tend to be more advanced, so I will not be going super in depth into that today. But really quickly, here are the chords in case you're at that level. If you're a beginner, please feel free to skip ahead to the beginner tutorial at the end of the video. So here are the chords. It's B, F sharp, G sharp minor, and E. Now keep in mind, he also does certain voicings depending on whether he's playing by himself or with the band. While the original key is B, he also does live performances in B flat. So it just so happens that I just recently did that video, which I'll post a link down below so you can check it out on the lead guitar part. So in that tutorial, the chords I used were C, G, A minor, and F. Relatively easy chords, but not as easy as some of those other voicings he uses. Especially chords like F and C tend to be harder for beginners. If you want to use those chords to play with the quintessential version of the song, simply tune the guitar to E flat standard and you'll be in the key of B. Or if you want to play with his live versions, just simply tune to D standard, at which point you'll be in the key of B flat. So remember, B flat is the live versions and B is the radio version. Again, I will post a link so that you can take advantage of the guitar backing track that I created for you guys on that video. Just so you know, the video that I posted is in the key of B flat, so like the live version. I realize this can get confusing, so do the best you can. And if you have any questions, feel free. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you in the comments, okay? So now, if you're a beginner, this is when it gets fun. You will need a capo for this, which is one of these sort of clamp-looking things. So if you're in standard tuning, which most beginners are, simply put your capo on the 4th fret. There it is. You can do this now to play along with the quintessential version of the song, so the radio version. We're going to be in the key of B major. However, we're going to use the capo to make it easier. Before it was bar chords, we're going to make it easier. So once you put the capo on the 4th fret, we're going to play G, D, E minor, and C. So you should be in the key of B now. If you want to play with the live version again, then you put the capo on 3, okay? So that would be in the key of B flat, okay? But for this video, we're going to stay in the key of B. If you're an absolute beginner and you're starting out, then you might want to do variations to make your chords easier. For instance, the G chord, if you're a beginner, you can just play the tonic, just the 3rd fret of the E, okay? The D, you can just take off the middle finger. E minor, you can do E minor 7, you take off one of the fingers, okay? And C, you don't have to do the full C, you can do a C major 7, which is pretty easy. And then eventually you can work up towards the full versions of the chords. Let's check out the strumming. The strumming is like a train. It's very steady. The strokes are down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, alternating between lower strings and upper strings like this. So when you put it all together, it sounds like this. Also, there's a little palm muting going on too. Also want to mention for you more advanced players out there, if you're playing it in the key of G, it makes it easier to do the lead part at the same time because it goes with the chord tones like this. Another good reason to use a capo, if you're a baritone singer like me who tends to put everything lower in order to be able to sing it, what I can do is I can use, without changing the chords at all, I can just take off the capo, and now I'm literally in the key of G. So I can just play the song. Well, you done by me, the bet that you felt it. I tried to put you, but you so hot that I melted. I felt right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back before the cool don't run out. I'll living at my best. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to live some or learn some. Alright, so hope that helps. You should be making progress. If any of you guys need help or have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. We offer live virtual lessons at Star Lessons, or if you're in the Miami area, we would love to come see you in person. So comment down below and one of our team members will get back to you. Hopefully you got something out of watching this. I know I had a lot of fun making it, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to support Star Lessons by subscribing to our channel for more guitar lesson and song tutorials. I also have an artist channel, so I would love to invite you guys to that. I'll post a link at the end of the video as well. If you have any requests for future videos or any questions, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep it rocking. Yeah, well, I won't hesitate no